Have you ever wondered how to grow and care for succulents? These little wonders of the plant world are known for their ability to store water in arid environments. This unique feature makes them not only captivating to look at, but also incredibly easy to care for. They offer an array of shapes, colors, and sizes, making them a popular choice for home gardeners looking to add a touch of nature's resilience and beauty to their homes. So, are you ready to start your own succulent collection? Choosing the right succulents is the first step to a thriving garden. Consider factors like sunlight requirements, water needs, and temperature tolerance. Each succulent has unique needs, so do your research. Remember, the right succulent can thrive in your home environment. Once you've chosen your succulents, it's time to plant them. Select a pot with good drainage and fill it with a well-draining soil mix, ideally one designed for succulents. Place your plant in the pot, covering the roots with soil, but keep the leaves above the surface. To encourage growth, place your succulents in a spot with plenty of bright indirect sunlight. Water them when the top inch of soil feels dry. With proper planting and care, your succulents will thrive. Caring for succulents is easy once you know how. Start with a consistent watering schedule. Let the soil dry out completely between waterings. Sunlight is crucial too, so ensure your succulents get at least 6 hours of indirect light daily. As for pests and diseases, keep an eye out for signs of trouble like wilted leaves or discoloration. A diluted mixture of water and mild soap can typically handle these issues. With these care tips, your succulents will remain healthy and vibrant. Growing and caring for succulents can be a rewarding experience. Remember, the right choice, planting, and care can transform your space with these resilient beauties. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.